Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Black Aviator 2021 Manuel. I'm here at the airport, actually not at the airport, but near the airport, doing a little bit of plane spotting, sitting on the approach end of runway 33 into Charleston, South Carolina. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this show on the road. Let's go watch some airplanes. Okay, the next airplane that's coming in will be Sierra SR22. Registration number is November 73 Alpha Romeo, flying from Savannah, Georgia. It's a little bit of turbulence up there, but he's doing a good job. Full flaps is down. And he's on his final approach. All right, the next airplane is coming in flying in from Boston to Charleston. Registration number is November 3104 Julia. It's an Airbus 220. Airbus 220 is coming in for landing on runway 33 here at Charleston. Coming in right now, you have Delta Flight 2832 flying in from Atlanta to Boeing 757-200. Flying in right now, you have American Airlines 1780. It's an Airbus 319 flying in from Dallas, Texas. You can see he's private it in. Special treat right here. Guys, this is Southwest Airlines 1886 right here, coming in for final approach. Flying in from Austin, Texas to Charleston. All right, guys, this is United Airlines 6263 flying in from Dulles to Embraer 175. All right, guys, this is United Airlines 6263 flying in from Dulles to Embraer 175. All right, this is American Airlines flight 9951 flying in from Philadelphia. It's a CRJ 700. Final approach, runway 33. This is Breeze Airlines flight MXY 501 flying in from Phoenix, Arizona to Airbus. Let's go by a little bit. All right. There, Airbus 220. Airbus 220 flying in from Phoenix, Arizona. Well, guys, this right here is going to be the last time or the last flight for the day. I'm just trying this out to see how it is, and if you guys like this right here, just let me know and I will come out and I'll do some more. And hey, if you guys not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free and it helps the channel to grow. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.